There are 32 students in the classroom. The teacher arranged the desks into 4 rows, with the same number of students in each row. How many students were in each row? Alternatives: 7, 8, 9, 10, or 12 students. To find the number of students in each row, you divide the total number of students by the number of rows. 32 students divided by 4 rows. Is there a number that multiplied by 4 is equal to 32 or gets closer to 32 without being bigger than 32? Yes, that is. It's 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. So, we'll have 4 rows of 8 students. The correct answer is B, 8 students. Why the other answers are incorrect? A, 7 students. If there were 7 students per row, the total would be 4 times 7 equals 28, which is fewer than 32. C, 9 students. If there were 9 students per row, the total would be 4 times 9 equals 36, which exceeds 32. Alternatives D and E also exceed 32. Let me know in the comments if you like this video and subscribe for more.